Hey guys, this is Chet with Cleaners Connection down here in North Little Rock, Arkansas. Man, I've got a whole bunch of toys that showed up the other day that we've got in the shop that I want to show you guys. So we're going to start with this van right here that we made for Brian Harmon of Steam Pro up there. Brian bought this truck from us. They bought this van, and I've told you before, and I'll tell you again, that we are a Chevy upfitter. So Brian bought this van directly from us. And then he had this Hydramaster CDS put in here, and like I said, this is a sweet setup. This machine right here will give you 230-degree heat like you want. All the suction in the world that you can handle. He got it with a Hydracradle put it in. This is a 130-gallon, I believe. No, it's a 120-gallon. It's a 120-gallon fresh water tank on here. This Hydracradle works like this. Comes down like that. You pull up to the job. You got your pressure washing hose right here. Your washing hose. You got your hose to fill the tank up. Garden hose right there. And what's sweet is you put it right there and you're saving so much room. And I'm gonna take you around the back and show you how much room he's got in the back of this van. O'Brien does water restoration and carpet cleaning, so he's got enough place for your turbo dryers, your air movers in here, man. You dehumidifiers if you want them. You can put your tile tools up here, all kinds of stuff. You got your chemical shelf that we had sprayed for him, just like with the bed liner stuff, same thing. Just keep it nice and pretty in here. Look how much space is in this Chevy van. And this Chevy van's got a 6.0 liter, man. It'll flat haul what you need it to haul. Come on in. We're going to show you our X-Power things right here, guys. We've got 3 air movers. We got a little one here. It's $99. That's 800 cubic feet per minute, 800 CFMs. This one right here, I really love this for carpet cleaning, because you got your carpet cleaning guys that'll come in and you got a pet restoration and you got to flood the carpet and flood the pad. And you can buy this X-Power right here. And what I used to do when I owned my own business, I would flood that carpet and flood that pad, and I'd take a fan like this one and I'd point it straight down like that, and I'd leave it for a couple days just to dry it out, make sure there ain't no mold and mildew problems. I'd put that in my charge. These are real good fans for carpet cleaning. You know, of course, everybody knows what these air movers will do. It's 2,400 cubic feet per minute. We'll go on down to the turtle box. You don't know what this is, it's a turtle box. You can hook this turtle box up to a dryer outlet or a stove outlet. It's 220 here, gives you 110 here. You can run about 18 of these ASD air movers over here. These are 1.8. voltage right here on these air movers here, and they're 3,100 cubic feet per minute. So you got your turtle box for that. Most everybody knows what these are. These are our large dry max dehumidifiers Phoenix. Here's our extra large one right here with Bluetooth technology. Here's something we got in the other day we ain't had since I worked here that I'm loving, is this new E-Test box. Guys, if you're drying anything else, anything in a house and you need heat, this thing is sweet to blow in a room, blow under carpet. Does real well for underneath houses. If you're going to do some mold remediation and you got to dry the wood before you do the mold remediation, this is what you need right here. We'll go on to our other heat boxes right here. This PDS 12 right here is for drying wall cavities. This thing's like a big hair dryer, and it's awesome, and it's only $450, guys. We got a special on it this month for $450, and I believe the exact date price for it's $180 a day. You can't beat that, guys. And what this thing does, if you'll look right in here, you got your hose that this thing's sitting on. You put your hoses in here, and it blows a heated air. Take off your baseboards or your cove base, put your holes in wall cavities, and this will blow heated air into the wall. Most of the time, you can get it drying in one day. You're out in a day. We'll bring you around here, guys. Bring you about to the end of the show that we've got going on today. Let me show you these portable machines that we've got. We've got these in a couple of weeks ago. I've been meaning to let everybody see these. These are real good portables. This right here is 300 PSI, and it's got heat on it. I mean, that's a fantastic carpet cleaning machine right here for doing like high rises and stuff, or you just don't want to use a truck mount, which I say you got to have a truck mount. But these things do great when you're in time for portable. Here's another one right here. It's the same thing. And then we've got 2 of them that are 100 PSI, kind of like a flood pumper, but they will clean carpets, just 100 PSI. Now this Clean Dynamics, folks, I'll show you this Clean Dynamics. You know, Cleaners Connection is a part of the NSN network, the New Source Network. And the New Source Network has their own products. So this Clean Dynamics is one of our own products. And we've got a 2-year parts and labor warranty on these portables. That's unbeatable in this market. You won't find a portable with a 2-year parts and labor. Here we go with our Phoenixes right here, guys. These are air scrubbers, man. They're fantastic. A lot of people don't know this, But you can get these Phoenixes in blue or red, however you want. It's got a daisy chain. These things are fantastic. We can get you these for a little under $1,000. End up the day here. Let me show you this. We showed you this at the van that we put in right here. I got another one sitting right here that's for sale. We've got some brand new vans coming in from Chevy. I got 2 vans coming in from Chevy. We can put this thing in there for you. It's time to spend your money. If you made a lot of money this year, you got to spend it so the don't get it. Well, I appreciate you guys watching the video. Guys, if you need something from me, you can give me a call at 501-258-3779. And remember, my name's Chet Clark, and I'm your Clean Connect.